Bench testing the 1957 Cadillac power antenna, serial number VI02092025, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, mast extended. Test number 2, mast retracted. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. And test number 4, mast to radio feed continuity. Test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retracted. Again, test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retract. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. We're at continuity tester, and we see we have tone, showing that we have continuity back to the tester. And we're going to demonstrate on test number 3, mast insulated from ground. Extend the mast. We can check for continuity from the mast to the chassis. You see we have no continuity from the mast to the chassis. From the mast to the chassis, we have no continuity. The mast is insulated from ground. Retract the mast. Test number 4, mast to radio connection continuity. From the mast to the radio connection, we have continuity. From the mast to the ground, insulated. So from the mast to the radio feed, we have continuity. But the mast is insulated from ground. It's important because if the mast was short of the ground, this would cause a radio static or possible radio not to work at all.